5 tips for networking for beginners. 1. Prepare and research. Note questions and stories you'd like to ask and share ahead of time based on the research you've done. If you're able to, try practicing out loud. 2. Start small. Gradually build your comfort and confidence networking. Keep in mind, networking is about building relationships, so the next time you're attending a class, workshop, information session, or any friendly environment, consider introducing yourself to the person next to you and asking an open-ended question. For example, "Hi, my name is Anupreet. How are you finding the course?" Practice breeds skill, and skill breeds confidence. 3. Gamification. Try to set specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely goals for the day of the event. For example, I will connect with one industry professional interested in program development that I can follow up with before leaving the event for the night. 4. Listen. Networking is all about building relationships, not collecting names and business cards. As such, the best networkers are not just talkers, but listeners. In other words, you don't need to drive the conversation, but you can listen and ask insightful questions. So ask people probing and/or clarifying questions about what they're telling you. In turn, people will feel listened to, which will leave a strong first impression. 5. Practice self-compassion. Give yourself permission to be imperfect. For anyone learning how to build relationships, you're going to stumble a few times, and that's okay. With practice, you'll discover what works and what doesn't for you. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.